6 bulan yang lalu masih itu, nggak bisa ngapa-ngapain. Semuanya dibantu sama anak. Kalau pernapasan dengan oksigen. Semua jalan juga, jalannya cuma berapa langkah, langsung sesak. Ke toilet juga udah bisa, harus pakai oksigen. Semua. Tidurnya juga harus dibantu. Pakai oksigen, bantalnya juga harus tinggi.
Rosmawati came to me in December in desperate need of help because of her underlying pulmonary hypertension. When the right side of the heart begins to fail, patient will experience breathlessness, swelling of the bodies, swelling of the stomach called ascites, and swelling of the legs. This is also associated with reduction in longevity. In fact, at that point of time, her risk of dying within the next 1 year is about 20%. Essentially, it's 20 times more than the usual person. As doctors, we know that there are 3 modulation of the pathway that can be done, and all drugs of this pathway has been tried on her for over the years. The treatment that she has received has been exhausted. So a new drug needs to be found. Thankfully, through my search, I found that there's a new medication which has not been used before in this region. At this point of time is where I approached Edgar. So sotatercept was the drug that we feel that it may be useful.
This patient's condition was actually quite advanced. She was actually already on 3 different classes of medications, and at that point she was very symptomatic. So it was just fortunate that when she first arrived, sotatercept was available and approved by the authorities, and therefore we had access to the medication. This means that patients who come to Singapore, or our own Singapore patients, will have access to this drug earlier than many other parts of the world. So this is something that we're actually quite grateful for. Sotatercept is a different molecule from the rest of the drugs that are available right now. You can imagine sotatercept is a little bit like a sponge. So it actually removes these proteins that drive the accumulation of more cells within the lung arteries that block the blood flow. By actually arresting these bad proteins, so to speak, they actually improve overall the health of the arteries, and therefore translate to better outcomes in terms of lowering the lung pressures and making patients feel better. So it actually works at the root cause.
Sudah habis dikasih obat, 6 kali suntikan, udah mendingan. Bisa jalan, bisa beraktivitas. Nggak pakai oksigen, paling terapi. Masak bisa, mandi sendiri. Semuanya bisa, sudah. Naik tangga juga bisa, dulu nggak bisa semua.
The clinical trials essentially looked at patients who've had group 1 pulmonary hypertension. It showed that the patients had a reduction in the pressures in the lung, better quality of life, and also less chance of being hospitalized as well. So there were multiple endpoints that was addressed in this trial, which was very positive.
Terima kasih kepada Dr. Rajak dan Dr. Edgar yang memberikan motivasi, dorongan, dan semangat kepada saya untuk supaya sembuh, supaya kuat.